hard as they go for the second race of this afternoon. Welcome to FIM Motocross Championship. We will see the fastest ones of this category. Guys, we are seeing the fastest ones for the pole position. The IAs as they help us out. Guys, watch the support your Pinoy and international riders. All of their teammates will now wait for them to view them on how long and how much time they have before they finish the race. As we all go cheer for our favorite riders, let's see who's going to cross the finish line first, and we'll view and give you the updates one by one as we go. Here we go. And you see the teammates doing everything they can fix in here in the corner, safely away from the rider's path. Guys, send in your comments to live PC22 Sports Promotion. And those of you watching us, CloudNet live stream broadcast.
Once again, we have here the MX-85 or the mini MX-85cc. We got riders here using that from Yamaha. We have here some Honda bikes. We have the 4 but we don't need by company. That is Nigel Potter right behind
Number 3.
We also have here Mario, then followed by 112, and rider from Pulilan. Coming behind that rider, we have Sean Arcilia.
As you're seeing boys and girls competing with each other. Boys and girls. Gentlemen and ladies now doing their best for the mini MX-85 category. Welcome to Pittsburgh MX Pulilan.
Looks like we got 2 lady riders to watch out for inside or with our MX-85. We have here Zaira Paco, 1 lady rider from Rwanda, competing with the boys with a mini MX-85cc, as well as Darlene Texon coming from the north to lead the program from the north. 420.
Nicely done. Each rider will now have to compete with each other guys. Checking their line, outside. Now going back to their teammates. As you're about to see your riders back. Next up.
We are at about 30.
Riders making for the middle of the time.
Once again, we are at an output of 49 riders, but we are into the scheduled 7 minutes plus another 2 laps for them. Once again, to watch out for these riders and the juniors coming in, training to be one of the best in the Philippines and international. We still have here Nigel Torres, now followed by rider number 3, that is from Thailand.
Try to see friends of friends. So these are friends of friends. Girls and boys. Let's keep on in the hooks. A few more jumps and we're on our roll. We're going to see the champion in the queue. Flashing the flying cards or cards on with their teammates. Their teammates making sure that they cheer for their riders. Very nice layout for the Bigfoot and its cars. With live viewers in at Pulilan.
We got a change in position. First place taken by Thailand rider Jonathan on bike number 3. Our Filipino rider Nigel Torres, bike number 24, taking the second place. Rider number 29.
Follow the line, guys. You will see our champion in a few. Cheer for your favorite rider. Take it easy, guys. Take it easy. Yellow flag on our side. Take it easy. Good job, good job. Our rider is back. He's back on his bike. Good job starting his engine. And he's home again. Good job, guys. Taking it on his track. 38 55. 11. We're going to see number 3 again.
Coming in, we have this marker signaling for the next few laps. But still, that is rider number 3 on the lead, followed by Nigel Torres.
Number 3, guys. Line 3. There's no slowing down. I know it has been a very aggressive and a slow track for everyone. Comments, how do you feel? How's the vibe? Everybody watching us from abroad in the Philippines. We have a board race here at the finish line of these numbers. Here we go. Thank you all for watching with us. We are live inside proud parents and guardians watching over. Another rider passing by, guys. You are watching the live stream broadcast of FIM Asia Motocross Championship.
Once again, that was fought by our lead is right there, about to overload other riders inside this category. Once again, this is the Mini MS85cc, and still on the lead, all the way from Thailand, we have Jonathan, bike number 3.
Guys, please follow that rider wearing his lime green and jersey number 3. Nicely done, sportsmanship right here. Making sure that the 3 riders will not count each other.
We also got here bike number 22.
Guys, number 3 is Alan Chai. Number 3 is Alan Chai. Thailand, yes. Zia, we would like to say number 3 rider is none other than
Alan Chai.
Alan Chai is coming in, number 3 from Thailand. Thank you, Thailand. Thank you so much. Guys, we are doing our best here. And to all and each of you watching, we have a checkered flag! Checkered flag!
From